Hello everyone, my name is Altai and today I'm going to take you through a very relaxing stretching routine on the grass. Hi there, my name is Kseny and it's going to be me who's going to be taking you through this 10-minute Qigong morning routine. So this is great first thing in the morning or mid-afternoon to get moving, to lift up your mood, and hopefully you'll feel great by the end of the session. But before we begin, if you like my videos, if you've been following my YouTube channel for some time now, consider joining my membership site. There's a lot more routines, there are longer routines that you can really benefit from, and of course there is a weekly live class that you can join or watch on repeat at any convenient time. I'm going to put more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, and bring your tailbone slightly forward. Lengthening downward, this helps to open up the lower back. Continue up your spine, keep it nice and tall, neck and shoulders relaxed. And feel yourself elevating through the top of the head. We're going to begin with a twist and turn exercise. Keeping the good posture, good alignment, focus your mind on your entire body. Keep your feet rooting deeply into the ground. Keep your knees stable, your hips relaxed, and your tailbone lengthening down. Begin to let go through the neck and shoulders. Relax between the shoulder blades. And feel a pleasant twist across your abdomen and the lower back. Bring your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. Elevating through the top of the head, keeping your spine nice and long. This position helps to improve the energy flow up and down the spine, helps to regulate our nervous system, helps to get excess energy downward away from the head. So we feel calmer or grounded, we can think clearly. And let's take a couple of deep, comforting breaths to start the day. Inhale in through the nose. And out the mouth. And again, inhale. And exhale. Third time with the charm. Inhale. And exhale. Slow it down. Then we're going to shift the weight from one leg to another as you tap the rib cage and the back of the shoulder. Generate your movement from your feet up. Feel your legs bouncy. Feel your legs moving. Feels good. Begin to awaken the body. A few more times. Very good. Keep your feet parallel, nice and firm. We're gonna rotate and sway the body, sway your arms from side to side. The more you can relax through your upper back, down your arms, the better. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Just make it light, make it enjoyable. Begin to open up through your joints. Go easy on your lower back. Using your legs, relying on the strength of your legs. Very good. A few more times. Come back. Very, very good. So we're going to do the same to the legs. Get yourself on one leg and begin to swing from side to side, or actually back and forth. The idea is the same, to safely open the joints, to relax the muscles around the joints. So not a low effort, aiming for relaxation. Nice, easy opening. Hip, knee, ankle, and your foot. Good stuff. And then slow it down. Go side to side. You can control your pace. Just feel how this motion feels in your body. Notice. Very good. Put it down. Maybe notice the difference between this side and that side. I do feel it, so this is great. Learning more every time. And let's do the same here. So up and down. Keep your balance. I really, really want you to feel like your leg is just wobbling. It's very, very kind of light. It's vibrating. The muscles has an opportunity to relax. Good stuff. Slow it down and transition side to side. Again, you can be as slow as you wish. Terrific. Last one. And put it down. We're going to shake the entire body for 1 minute. So feet firm on the ground, tailbone lengthening down. Your spine is nice and straight. Open up through the upper back. Bring your chin slightly in. Lots of details, but once you have that posture, once you have the proper alignment, your body just transforms. It feels much better, the energy flows better, and as a result, we feel better. So feel free to close your eyes, drawing your attention to your body. Feel your legs, feel your arms. Release tension from your abdomen. Keep your chest relaxed, your shoulders down. Just notice all that space that you're creating in your body. Any feeling of heaviness, discomfort, tension, just shake it off. Slightly turn to the side, to the other side. Come back. And then rise up on your toes. Feel your legs nice and bouncy. Putting some pressure, activating the meridians that begin at our feet. All the points on the bottom of our feet. Shake, shake, shake. Come back down in a few more seconds. Then slow it down. Assume the position and feel your entire body. Open, spacious, awake. Then take a nice deep breath in. Put a smile on your face, greeting a new day. Exhale, bring all that energy and vitality into your body. Let's do a couple of those. It just feels good. Inhale. And exhale. Feel energy that you've generated accumulating into the ball, and you're bringing it through your body, letting it wash over your mind, wash over your heart, your lungs, your internal organs, balancing the inside and the outside. And once more, big breath in, exhale. Slowly guiding your hands to your abdomen, a major energy center in our body. You close, concentrating on yourself, on the sensations within your body, and on the present moment. Release and finish your practice. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? Let me know in the comments below this video. I hope you enjoy this short routine. Definitely a lot of movement, but it's nice and comforting. So if you have 10 minutes or even less than, do it in the morning and see if it can transform your day. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. If you have a moment, give us a like. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Take care.